Hi everyone, and welcome to another new video. This is Crypto Everything here again with another update for you to look out for. Okay, so this is on the Sui Devnet. Okay, so if you have not been interacting with Sui, this is a good opportunity for you to do this. But before I show you what I got for you today fully, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please I urge you to hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified anytime I drop videos like this. Okay, and I've got a Telegram channel. Okay, so I'm going to leave the link in the description below, or you can hit this button right here to join my Telegram channel, because there are some informations that I give out to my subscribers that I can't make as video, so I just drop them on my Telegram channel. And you know, I tend to communicate more with my community via Telegram, so please do join that right now. And let's jump right into the video. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing the Capy New Year's contest. Okay, so this is it right here. What we're going to be doing is everything is here, so you can read this. This is an article right here written about the whole thing, how you need to, what you need to do, and how you need to go about it. But I've already gone through it. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. So basically what we're going to be doing is we are going to be gifting some tokens, okay, some gifts boxes to people, our friends. Okay, so in exchange you're going to be having an opportunity to get even a bigger box. So this is a premium box that we're going to get after gifting some three boxes to friends. Okay, so we're going to buy this, and when we buy it, okay, then we're going to open it and then we can share it on Twitter. When we share it on Twitter, we're just going to add some stuff and then we're going to be in for the context. Okay, so first of all, you need to have a Sui wallet, as you already know that. So you just go to Sui and request for some tokens. Okay, so if you go to their Discord right now to request, you might not be able to get that. Okay, so this is a Sui Discord. If you come over here and put it right here, you can see some people, you can see the prompt right here. I'm currently unable to make this request, I think, so it's oversaturated. But it's an easy way for you to get this. You just go over to your Twitter, your Sui app. Okay, so just move on. So if you've not requested for Sui tokens, and this is on the Devnet, automatically it's going to be on the Devnet because there's no testnet right now. They are done with the testnet, so we are done with the testnet phase 1. So we are back on Devnet and waiting for phase 2. So this right here, you can click right here or just hit this and 3 buttons right here, and then it's going to tell you to request for Sui Devnet tokens. Okay, so if you've requested before, well, you can only request I think once a day. Okay, but there's a trick to this if you want to. So what you should do is you can get a VPN. Okay, so if you have a VPN, so just toggle between several locations. Okay, so if you use one location per claim, so if you click on this, I think I've already claimed more. I don't think if it's going to work, but if it works, good. But if it doesn't work, cool also. So if you have a VPN, you can request as many times as you want. So once you turn on a VPN, so request once and then switch to a different location and request again. So it's going to keep giving you 0.05 Sui. So that's how I amassed up to 25. Okay, so I think I did this about 5 times. Okay, or so I got about 2.25 Sui. So this is more than enough Sui for me to do all that I need to do here. So after coming here to this copy.art, okay, so if you can't find that location, that link, there's a way to easily get it. So you just move down to your apps here on your Sui wallet, and then you can just click on this and it's going to bring you over here. Okay, so this is right here. So you're going to be buying 3 gifts. Okay, 3 gifts, and you're going to be sending them to 3 different wallets. Okay, so once we've sent them to 3 different wallets, you're going to be able to open this box. Okay, but then while sending to somebody, make sure you do screenshot them. Okay, so let's take you step by step. Okay, so you have to buy one of these. Okay, so we're going to buy 3. You just have to approve it. So it costs about 0.2 Sui, and I have about 0.25. Okay, so as you can see right here, I have bought this right now. So what I want to do is I want to send it right here. Okay, so but before you send it, I would advise you to make sure you take a screenshot of it. So you take a screenshot, it should so that it serves as an evidence that you actually did this. Okay, so what you can do is you can actually send them immediately after you buy, or you can buy all of them and then go back to your Sui wallet to screenshot that before you send. As you can see right here, if I move on to my NFT section, so you can see this NFT is here. So if I buy, the more I buy, the more I have them here. So I can just buy all of 3, screenshot this and keep it as evidence before I start sending them out, or I can just start sending them immediately I buy them. Okay, so now you have to send it to different wallets. Okay, so but how do you get wallets? Okay, very easy. So we'll just go over back to their Discord. Okay, so you can see these are people trying to, request for tokens. All you could do is just come over there and copy any random wallet. Okay, so it just has to be a wallet. You don't have to know the person. Just copy that and then just go over back to your Sui wallet, and then you can send it from there. Or let's just take it from here. So we'll just click on send and then put in the amount or the wallet that we want to send it to, and then just send a gift. Okay, and then you have to approve it in your wallet. This costs about very little money. Okay, so hooray, you sent a gift. So what I advise you to also do is take a screenshot of this and then move on to buy the second gift. So we're going to buy, that's how we're going to buy all three, and then once we are done buying all three and sending all three, then I'm going to come back to claim the premium box. Okay, all right, so I just sent my third gift to the third wallet address. Okay, so now the premium box should be open. So as you can see right here, now I can buy this premium box. Okay, so this premium box, whatever is in there is for me. So I just approve it. And sorry about the music. Okay, so it's just my neighbor. Okay, so now we have bought the box. So now it's time for us to open it and see what we got. Okay, all right, so this is what we have. Okay, so this is what we got in our premium box. Okay, so the next thing we should do is we have to tweet this right now. Okay, so we can tweet this, but we have to take a screenshot of it. So we are going to take a screenshot. So when you are taking a screenshot, we have to post it on Twitter, and we're going to use the hashtag Capyholidays. Okay, so if you click on tweet, automatically it's going to generate a tweet for you to post it on Twitter, but you have to modify the tweet. Okay, how do I mean? Okay, let me quickly show you something. Okay, so when you go onto Twitter, this is what I have posted for myself. Okay, so when you originally click on this tweet button from the app right here, it's going to automatically generate this for you. So this I took a screenshot of what I did before, and then I put it in here, but I had to refine it. Okay, because the contest says something different. Okay, so we have to give it a name. So you have to give your copy a name. So you can see right here, I gave my copy .copy. Okay, so when you just write a brief background right here, and then this is the image. You can see I cropped it out and made it more beautiful. So this is it right here, and the more likes you get for your post, the more entries you get. Okay, so the top 20 are going to be selected. Okay, so if you want to see everything right here, it's in this document here. Okay, so it talks about what you need to do. So this is the example of the kind of content that you should share. So as you can see right here, almost like what I did. So I just had to look at this, and then there must be the hashtag Capyholidays. Okay, this is what qualifies you. This is what qualifies your post for being selected, or you're doing, just make sure you do that. Okay, so exactly what I did also, and as you can see right here, I put at the end hashtag Capyholidays. So when you click on tweet right here from this place, make sure you take a screenshot, because this is Devnet. Okay, from time to time they do wipe it, so maybe you could wake up tomorrow morning and everything is cleared out. Okay, so and this contest is going to hold on for 2 weeks. Okay, so you just click on tweet. It's going to take you to Twitter, and automatically some words are going to be generated for you, tweet, but without a picture. So it's up to you to add a screenshot that you took from the page and then add it to it. Okay, so I'm not going to tweet this. Okay, so I'm going to discard this. Okay, so we're going to go back here. So this is what you can do. So you can start to breed it or sell it, or you keep it, or you can go back and do even more. So if you have more people to gift to, so the more people to gift all these things to, you have more chances of opening your box. So just do it again, do 3 again, send it to 3 different wallet address, and this is going to open up for you. Or you can just come over here and buy several of these. Okay, so if you buy several of these, you're going to have to, you breed them together. So when you breed them together, they're going to give you something beautiful, and then you can tweet that instead of this premium gift box that you tweeted here. Okay, so I would like to show you what it says right here. So this is the contest. So the owners of the 20 most liked copies and accompanying stories, that means this brief bio, this brief background that we just wrote on Twitter, that I wrote on Twitter. Let me show you. So alongside these, okay, so not the short version, okay, because this is not interesting. So you have to put this, because they are going to choose those who are going to win from their bio. Okay, so as you can see, will be entered into a bracket contest that will begin on January 3rd, this community will then vote for the favorite Capys over 2 days. The owners of the 5 victorious Capys that receive the most community votes will receive special Capy merch and 1,000 Sui tokens each. The remaining 15 runner-up brackets participants will receive 100 Sui tokens each. So the top 5 are going to get 1,000 Sui each, and then the runner-ups are going to get 100 Sui each alongside some other tokens, I think. So the owners of 10 Capys with the best name plus backstory, as you can see. So this is a backstory plus the name. So your Capy has to have a name and a backstory. So make sure you can just get creative. If you put it in hashtag Capyholidays on Twitter, they're going to bring in a lot of content that has Capyholidays tagged to it. Okay, so you're going to see ideas from there, and then you just do that. Okay, so you doing this is one way of interacting with this Sui platform, even though you do not win the contest. Okay, so this is another way for you to do that, because when wave 2 comes, we don't know how it's going to be. Okay, we don't know when the snapshot is going to be taken, so make sure you do try to interact with this. So all of the information, I'm going to leave them in the links there in the description below, so do check the description. So this is what I have for you today. If you have any confusion that you want me to clear out, please let me know, so you can gift out more boxes and open more premium boxes for yourself and then open it. Okay, you should know that this doesn't qualify as an airdrop. Okay, this is not an airdrop. Even though you get the best premium gift box, it doesn't even matter, because it's on Devnet. Everything is going to be wiped out. So the majority of this is that you are interacting with the Sui, and also you might stand a chance to win the contest. So this is it, guys. So if you did enjoy the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be posting content like this weekly as soon as I get them. Okay, so do join my Telegram channel, and thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video, guys. Bye.